Welcome student to your online classes. Today I am going to teach you your second lesson in English prose. A fellow traveler, एक सहयात्री, written by A.G. Gardiner. Introduction to the lesson. The author A.G. Gardiner is all alone in an evening train. The train is leaving London. It is the summer evening. A mosquito enters the compartment. The author feels very nice and turns to enjoy the rarity of the loneliness. But the mosquito starts teasing him. They both start reacting and rather playing with each other. The author and the mosquito pass the full journey in mutual actions and reactions. Thus, it is quite a humorous essay for our young readers. Summary of the lesson in English. In the train, the author was travelling from London to a Midland town by train. It was a passenger train that stopped at every station. The passengers gradually got down at every station. At last, the author was left alone in his compartment. The idea of lonely freedom. The headline is what? The idea of lonely freedom. मतलब अकेलेपन की आज़ादी का विचार. The author enjoyed the idea of being alone in the compartment. He thought that he was quite free to talk, argue, sing, dance, practice golf stroke, or play marbles. He could close or open the windows, could sit on any seat or lie on the cushions without any fear of law. The writer did not do any of these things. He lighted a cigarette, sat down, and began to read again. The third point is a mosquito in the compartment. Just then, a mosquito came and sat on his nose. The author flicked it off. It went around and came down on the author's neck. He flicked it off again, but it came back and sat on the back of the author's hand. Fourth point, the author tried to kill the mosquito. The author got angry with the mosquito and tried to kill it. He called it a vagabond, public nuisance, traveler without a ticket, etc., and attacked him in several ways, but all his attacks failed. Point 5. The author felt friendly. The author developed sympathy and fellow feeling for the mosquito. He became merciful for the small creature mosquito. He pardoned it and sat on his seat. Mosquito. Number 6 point, mosquito, the fellow traveler. Mosquito. Who is mosquito? Mosquito is the fellow traveler of the author. Fellow traveler means co-passenger, sahyatri. The author became very much friendly to the mosquito. He called the mosquito and began to think of life and journey like a philosopher. Point number 7. The journey ended. As the author sat lost in his thoughts, a porter from outside called out to him. It was the author's station. The author came out on the platform and his journey with his fellow traveler came to an end. Dear student, इसकी कुछ चीज़ें हम लोग हिंदी में समझ लें। पाठ का परिचय क्या है? लेखक A.G. गार्डनर शाम को एक ट्रेन में बिल्कुल अकेला है। रेलगाड़ी लंदन को छोड़ती हुई निकल रही है। गर्मियों की शाम है। एक मच्छर रेल के डिब्बे में घुस जाता है। यहाँ तक लेखक को सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था तथा इस दुर्लभ एकांत का आनंद देने को वो मुड़ता है, किंतु वो मच्छर उसे तंग करना शुरू कर देता है। वे दोनों एक दूसरे के प्रति प्रतिक्रियाएं शुरू कर देता है, बल्कि एक दूसरे के साथ खेलने लग जाते हैं। ये लेखक और वो मच्छर पूरी लंबी यात्रा एक दूसरे के साथ आपस में क्रियाओं तथा प्रतिक्रियाओं के बीच बिता देते। इस प्रकार हमारे युवा पाठक के लिए ये एक मनोरंजक लेख है। ओके स्टूडेंट, गुड बाय एंड थैंक यू।